In a world where challenges and obstacles often seem insurmountable, there exists a force of unwavering faith and unity that refuses to yield to adversity. Our play takes us through the lives of remarkable individuals, women of extraordinary faith, who unite in the face of societal pressure, discrimination, and personal struggles. Their journeys are interconnected, each resonating with the theme of faithful women overcoming hurdles of a brighter future.
I've come a long way, but my value kept me grounded in the industry. My dear, think well of the family reputation. Kushbu, your father is also not happy with your decision.
But mother, this is my passion and I really want to do it.
Think well, my dear.
Yes, Kushbu. Why are you getting yourself into this kind of things? You are bringing shame to our family.
Meanwhile, while Kushbu is disillusioned, in times of despair and uncertainty, the kindness and support of our friends reassured her not to lose hope and overcome the obstacles together. Kushbu finds hope and encouragement. Carrying the scars that she has been through, Kushbu sets out to discover more of her potential and abilities to make a change. Despite the disapproval of our family and society, she embraced the world with unwavering determination, redefining the essence of self-expression, empowerment, and faced life with confidence and with zeal to bring change. People learn that dreams with passion can truly shine on the runway of life. Kushbu comes home with all the achievements. With patience and hard work, one can carve a path to success and bring a significant changes even in the most highly competitive fields.
여태 버틴 김에 건배 잘 해냈지만 지레 겁네 나를 위했던 건 없었게 빈 거울만 쳐다봐도 섭섭해 쭉 외쳤었지 틸라다 옛날 얘기는 입 아파 같은 시간 지나와 스스로는 내가 아니잖아 혼자가 편해 너무 오케이 문제가 없게 너라도 괜찮담 고개를 절래 걱정해줘 난 안 괜찮아 넌 쉬운데 난 안 되잖아 가뿐해 보이지만 신경 쓰이지 전부 다 눈 감아도 앞나로
We are introduced to Miss Komalika, a dedicated and aspiring young teacher who is determined to make a difference in the lives of her students despite all hurdles and risks that comes her way. Given the fact that all her students were from a diverse background, all from unprivileged families and all struggling to barely attend classes, the struggle to discipline them and divert their interests to studying was real. But determined as she was, she adopted several teaching techniques. Her students initially skeptical given their past experiences, however her innovative method slowly begins to resonate in their lives. Komalika's classroom becomes a place of hope and transformation. Her students, inspired by her teaching, achieves academic excellence, stands as a symbol of resilience against all odds. The once seemingly insurmountable obstacles are now stepping stones to their growth and success. Taking the life hurdles as an opportunity, one can emerge victorious against life challenges. Anjali, a young girl from a family of 6, with her being the eldest and her parents barely making ends meet, but lucky enough to have got the opportunity to study because of her academic excellence.
I have to excel in my studies to take care of my family and achieve my dreams.
Meanwhile, her friends in school.
Yes, for real, sometimes take a break.
Come, let's make reels.
Thank you, Auntie. There's no fun. I will be going ahead.
Bye.
어둠을 묻혀
Anjali, filled with guilt and fear. With all that she was going through, her relatives weren't much help to her.
For now, I have to sacrifice my enjoyment to achieve my goals.
Anjali, you have to have a settled job soon. Your siblings are laid back behind you. Don't think of going for competing exams and just find an easy job.
My father, I want to study more.
Enough of this. Just find a job.
Angelo, you should stop studying and help your father. Moreover, your siblings are struggling. You should at least help your father.
But despite all the challenges, she was adamant to pursue her dreams, and with her determination and strong will, she shines out to be a strong and independent woman who is now appreciated by all. This highlights the unwavering determination of a young woman to achieve her dreams. A poor widowed mother who is now left with her only son strives hard day and night doing odd jobs to feed themselves.
Rahim, although I cannot provide you with all luxuries, study and work on your own.
Mother, contented that her son is now growing according to her prayers and is now hoping for the fruits of her labor.
Go and study.
But life takes a turn when the time comes for Rohit to go out for further studies.
Hey, you!
Life becomes different for Rohit when he starts meeting up with his friends. He forgets all that he has promised his mother and now gets influenced by his peers.
The room is on fire! Follow the leader, follow the leader. Follow the leader, follow the leader. Follow me! Follow the leader, follow the leader. Follow the leader.
Slowly, with all academic and life pressures, and with no one to rely on, and his friends slowly doing away with him, Rohit realizes his commitment and slowly turns back and strives harder. Meanwhile, her mother prays consistently each day for her son. He excels in studies and helps his mother and gets himself a promised job. Despite facing immense hardships of financial struggle, emotional turmoil, and burden of a single parenthood, her journey serves as a powerful testament towards the transformative potential of unyielding faith and love as a guiding light towards a more promising and fulfilling future.
देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी देखो देखो
Leader, follow the leader. Hands up, down, up, down, up, down.
छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया 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 चल छैया छैया छैया
Wow.